Greetings from Wallasey Beach in Liverpool. And finally, a beach that's completely out on the Irish Sea, and it's not on the river Mersey. Well, the river is fairly close anyway, but yes, it is a wonderful Sunday here in Wallasey. Oh, there is, what's that? There is something on the shore. Is that a shark? Oh my god. This looks... No, it's like a seal. Oh my god. Look at that. Poor little thing. I think it's kind of a seal. Or sea lion. But yes, this beach is suitable for windsurfing also, I see, and sailboat as well. And there is a golf course also next to the beach that actually I tried to approach as I got off the Wallasey Road metro station, but then I was forced to walk around. And yes, today I'm exploring the beaches of Liverpool. So Liverpool beach adventures in progress. This is the third beach of the day and fourth in total on my trip here, weekend trip to Liverpool. So today I have taken a day ticket for the metro that's on the Mersey rail, and so I have access to all the metro stations, I mean the lines, and most of them are on the sea, so that's great. I started off obviously with New Brighton. That is the last stop on that line. That's only one stop away from here, where I did 2 beach adventures. Now I took only one stop back to Wallasey here, and I'm showing you the beach over here. So yes, I'm gonna be doing some more beach adventures later on the north coast of Liverpool, actually all the way to Southport. But first I'm gonna go to West Kirby. That's very close by here, near here, actually close by 10 kilometers with the metro. So yeah, so there are actually lots of people on the beach today, but they are walking their dogs mainly. I saw one lady that was in a swimming that had a towel, so I guess she was in the sea. So it's good to see that I'm not the only one taking a swim. So yes, this is obviously the Irish Sea, and you see there are lots of waves here today. And yes, current temperature on this 15th of October, it's 11 degrees outdoor temperature, and the sea temperature is around 14 degrees based on the stats I got from Google. And here it is so nice that I can see the sea. So I don't see, so I'm sure that this is only the sea and not the river, because the river Mersey, it's a bit polluted to be fair. So here the sea looks amazing. So yeah, it is not that common to have beach adventures in Liverpool, but yeah, I'm an adventurous guy that I'm showing you the beaches all around the world, even in such extreme cases like Liverpool, because who would go to Liverpool to go on the beach, especially in mid-October? It's gonna be May actually. Yes, cool. All right, now let's go together and dive in. Fantastic day for fantastic beach adventure here in Liverpool. And this thing is called Wallasey Beach. Isn't it amazing? Breathtaking. So nice to be able to explore the beaches in Liverpool and yeah, take a swim in the sea. So that's a wrap from Wallasey Beach and my dip here, and I'm gonna continue to explore the coast here in Liverpool. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.
you.